Hello.
Hey, good afternoon. My name is I am calling with ma'am. What we have here is we bring hands-on STEM learning to your school with
Uh-huh.
our mobile lab. It does feature robotics, 3D printing, and coding. It's basically a fun on-site field trip, and we actually help you secure funding if needed. So let me just ask you, Ms. Do you all currently have a budget in place to support STEM programs currently?
Um, no, I mean we have a general science fund, not necessarily
Okay.
allocated for STEM, so to speak, but I mean, um,
Yes, ma'am.
we do have a robotics teacher that teaches a robotics class.
Cool. Well, yes, ma'am. No problem at all. That is one of the reasons I am reaching out to you. So the way it kind of works with us is we help schools implement tech-focused field trips and year-round STEM programming, from lesson kits to digital resources, and we just try to align those to, you all's current standards with no extra prep required. And so, Miss, I would like to get you all some information sent over to a good email. Can I have a good email?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to repeat that back to you, Miss.
yes, ma'am, that's correct.
All right, perfect. All right, and so, Miss, you all currently just looking to add new STEM experiences or replace any existing ones?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, okay. Would you know of any maybe current challenges that the teachers maybe face when implementing any STEM activities that you can think of?
Not that I can think of off the top of my head.
Okay. All right. So, Miss, I would love to just get you set up with a brief phone call with our president of STEM. What she do? He would just like to introduce himself and just break down specifically this program and how it can fit for your school. Would you be
Okay.
open to that phone call?
Not today.
Not today. Or we don't
No,
have to
ma'am.
do today. Would you have any
Okay.
time, maybe sometime next week? Can we
Okay.
shoot for a week from today?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Perfect. That is November the 7th. I see that we are on Central Timing. Can we do the same time for about 2:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. All right. Want to get that confirmed and set for you. And just a few more moments of your time. All right. So you all would be interested in adding this mobile field trip for the school.
Well, I need to talk to the robotics teacher just to make sure that he
Sure.
hasn't already
Okay.
had anything lined up. So I'll discuss it with him.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and just one more question for you, Miss. You all currently, I know that you kind of stated no specific funding for STEM, but do you all currently just have funding for just say STEM enrichment at the school level for this semester or maybe the next?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, perfect. Well, that sounds good. Okay, and I really appreciate your time today, Miss. I want to go ahead and get you confirmed. I have you set, Miss, for a week from today, November the 7th, Central Time for 2:30 with that phone call. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and I really appreciate your time. I'm going to go ahead
Yes.
and get that confirmation sent over to you as well, and you
Okay.
enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.